Welcome to Toothman Orthodontics. It's official, you've got braces. Let's chat about how to get the best and quickest results for your new smile. First off, you'll be going home with a care kit that includes a toothbrush, floss threaders, a Proxa brush, wax, a food list, and a hygiene guide card. Let's start with the basics. How to brush your teeth with braces. So, you've got to brush at least 3 times a day or after every meal. You'll be brushing in a usual motion and focusing on all sides of the braces, spending at least 30 seconds on each position. When brushing the top of your braces, brush down with just enough pressure to get the tips of the bristles under the wire. Brush from one side to the other several times before moving to the next angle. Brush the bottom of your braces exactly the same, but from below. Finally, brush the front of your braces, repeating the same motion several times. Don't forget to gently brush where your teeth and gums meet. This will help keep those gums from getting swollen during treatment. And be sure to brush your chewing surfaces and the back of your teeth to make sure every surface is clean. Now, on to flossing. You're going to thread the floss under the arch wire. You can use the included floss threader to help with that. Start with about 18 inches of floss and pull 3 to 5 inches through the loop at the end of the threader. Thread the floss threader under the arch wire and gently go between your teeth, hugging the sides of each tooth. Remove the floss and keep going in between every tooth. The Proxa brush is a great tool to loosen food particles that get stuck under the arch wire. To use it, push the brush gently under the arch wire between the brackets. Don't try to force it because you might accidentally break a bracket, so only use it in the spots where you can use it gently. Now, let's talk about wax. Your braces may cause you to feel some sore spots on the inside of your cheeks and lips. If you do, you can use orthodontic wax to cover the area that's bothering you. Just pinch off a small piece of wax and soften it by rolling it between your fingers. Then place the wax over the trouble spot. So simple! Take the wax out before you eat or brush your teeth. And if you accidentally swallow some, don't worry about it. It's not harmful. While wax can help with soreness from your braces rubbing on the inside of your cheeks, a warm saltwater rinse may also help. Just dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt in a cup of warm water and swish. You can also use Oragel to get some relief as well. As a normal part of getting braces, you might also experience a dull, achy sensation after getting them on and maybe even after each adjustment appointment. If that happens, you can take Motrin or Tylenol or whatever you normally take for a headache or muscle aches to help with the pain. Okay, so accidents can and do happen, but don't panic. If at any time you happen to break a bracket, band, or wire, be sure to save the pieces and bring them to your next appointment. Be sure to call the office the next working day to schedule an appointment first, before just coming in so we'll know to expect you. Lastly, we need to talk about all the things you can't eat while you're in braces. It's sad, I know, but some foods can damage your braces. You should avoid any hard, crunchy foods, things like hard nuts, pretzels, hard candies, meat on bones, and chewing ice or any foods like these. Another good tip is to cut up your fruits and veggies into bite-sized pieces and just put them in your mouth instead of biting into them. It's also smart to avoid sticky, chewy foods like caramels, taffy, Skittles, Starburst, gummy bears, and of course, gum. That's it! Congratulations on your new smile in progress. I know you'll do a great job, and feel free to give us a shout anytime if you have any questions or concerns.